Okay.
Hello!
Hello.
Welcome back to my channel. I am here today because I have bought, apart from the ones that are out of stock, the entire range of vegan skinny food syrups and sauces.
I know it's a shame for you. She's sad person.
And I am going to try every single one, and Tweedledee and Tweedledum here are tasting what they fancy.
Yes.
And have brought an entire
Well, we don't have. Well, we thought. Better go to choose.
Right. We're going to do all the savoury ones first.
Yes, to go with the wine.
To go with the cheese. Right. Honey mustard.
Honey mustard and cheese. I'll go for that.
Like putting a squirt out and then duking a crispin. Oh!
Scoot some. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Oh, do we have to do it as well? Or do we do like different ones? Hey, you can have some of this. I'm not going to use all that.
I don't know if I like honey mustard.
Oh.
You don't use all it.
I give that like
I'm going to have it on mushroom.
a 3. I don't even know what honey mustard tastes like. Oh.
No,
Not like
like that.
that, no. Right. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this hollandaise sauce.
Should be nice. That's awful sweet. Honey mustard. I don't taste the mustard.
Do you want to try this? It smells like hollandaise.
What's hollandaise sauce anyway?
It's usually made from
Egg.
eggs. Usually I have it with
You have it with. You have it with.
I'm not. I would say that's quite true to taste, is it not?
I don't know.
I don't like it, but I think
It's not
it's a-
offensive, but
No.
I wouldn't. You wouldn't go and say, well, let's have that one again.
But
would
see,
you?
I've found with some of these sauces and syrups, some of them taste exactly the same. Let's see the caramel one. It just tastes like caramel.
Right.
Whereas some of them do.
Very sweet.
I'm tasting the honey mustard one again with cheese. See what
Oh,
that one.
smoky baconese. That could be interesting.
Smoky bacon. Oh, there's no burning on the top of the table.
What?
That's sauce.
Oh, it smells. Oh, it smells nice.
It comes out too fast. Do you want a bit of this?
I like that. It tastes like a bacon crisp.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's the best one so far.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that's it.
I like that one.
Yeah, you
I
can,
give that an 8.
and you know what that is. That does
You know
taste
that-
bacon.
you know
Well,
that is.
I know it's not bacon, but it does.
It tastes bacon.
It.
No, no, I'm listening to something.
Are you?
You don't taste it.
I can't taste it.
Try again. Do you want a bit of cheese with it, or
No, digestive biscuit or something.
But I know I like this. I think you. So I don't know.
it'll be too
I'm a
sweet.
fan
Digestive
of the
biscuit will be
barbecue
too sweet,
syrups.
is it?
Oh, a tea biscuit.
No, I think it'll be too sweet.
I know. Can you still not taste it?
Still not getting it.
Oh, right, okay.
I've already tried these. I like these.
Honey barbecue.
And there's smoky barbecue.
Yeah, I'll have it. What will
I'm a
have
fan
it?
of both.
A tomato.
I don't usually like barbecue, but I like these.
Jeepers creepers, why do they come out like new?
Now you try that one and see if you can
That's okay.
taste.
Okay. I don't think I'd be able to tell you what it was, though.
Do you not taste the barbecue-ness? I like their barbecue sauces. Have you tried this one?
Could be interesting.
Do we drop? That's it.
I'm not going to have it with mushroom.
Well, what do we think?
It shouldn't be sweet chili.
But-
Chili's vegan, isn't it?
It just tastes sweet.
A wee kick.
You can taste it a wee bit.
A wee kick.
Oh, now I'm getting a kick.
Well, it says with sweetener. Too sweet.
I got that. 4.
Right, we're not impressed with that one.
No. What's next? Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I don't like sweet and sour.
Dad does.
Maybe we should just give that. No, I need to try them all. God damn it! Oh God, I can smell it for you.
Right, you try that one because you like sweet and sour.
I'm gonna have it.
That's some kind of rich tea biscuits.
Alright,
A bag of cookies and these tiny wee bits here.
What do you think?
It's like jam.
Oh no, I'm not going to have that.
Oh no.
Oops.
How can you eat that with chicken? Do you know it tastes like jam?
Don't know what it tastes like.
It's so sweet.
Right, give me something else. I'm ready for something else.
Right, let's do ranch dressing.
15.
Is that usually
Oh, we
garlicky?
need to have. Okay, we'll need to have that with a bit of lettuce.
Oh my, I can smell.
That needs to go. Oh, jeez, God.
Jeez God.
Or you just. That's an idea.
Oh, that's very. I don't even know what ranch dressing's meant to taste like. It's quite strong.
Oh, it's got a lot of garlic in it, but it's just a bit.
And mint. Is it got mint in it? Or is that just the salad?
No, there is something.
That's okay.
I've got
No.
maybe a 5.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm getting a.
It's very garlicky, but
Toothpaste.
it's very garlicky, but then there is like a kind of mintiness.
A kind of
I
toothpaste.
don't like mint and stuff. It gives me. And that's a 5, I would say. Tomato ketchup. Surely we can't go wrong here.
Well, I was passing that one. You could try that one.
Let's do some ketchup. Oh, this might be nice with this. Peri.
Peri peri. Peri peri
I'm going to run out
peri.
of room in my plate.
Mix it all in.
Mix it all in. Maybe they should try a new one. I'll write to them.
Right. 100 different things mixed up together.
What's this with peri peri?
That's quite nice.
Would I want it with cheese?
What's peri peri? Some kind
I
of
don't know, but oh, it's quite spicy.
Caribbean. Is that Caribbean?
I don't
That's
know.
nice, of course.
Caribbean.
There's a wee kick. It's basically like some spicy tomato ketchup.
I don't know, biscuits.
Oh, that's spicy.
But it's nice.
I
It's
like
got a
it.
nice. I give that a 8.
It's not peri peri.
Southwest. What's that meant to taste like?
Well, I like that.
Interesting. Oh.
What does it say about it? Nothing. Can you read? Can you get my glasses on?
Initial impressions are,
No.
I don't know.
Right, I'm not going to bother. I'm going to try it.
That's got a wee nip to it. I don't know what it was. It may be
Mm-mm.
tomato flavour sauce with sweetener. Doesn't tell you a lot, does it?
Look, not tomato. I can't believe how much that sweet and sour tastes like jam. Brown sauce. I don't even know if I like brown sauce.
It's kind of orangey.
Orangey, is it?
Or
No, I won't bother.
citrusy in some.
I'll have some cheese.
I do like brown sauce, don't you? You can tell,
Where's the brown
tell,
sauce?
tell me
Yeah,
if
yeah.
that's what brown sauce tastes like. Oh my god! It's very vinegary.
Yeah, but I'm scared to do that again.
Well, brown sauce has got vinegar in it. Kind of a bit of cheese or something.
Yeah.
Garlic and herb.
Okay, we'll
I
go
think
with
this
that.
one's very garlicky, if I remember right.
We've had that before.
Right. I'm going to have a tomato.
You think so?
I need to have it with something else because that's weird. No, I'm not impressed with that.
Right, we've just done a garlicky one, so we'll not do that. We'll do chip shop curry.
Oh, yes,
I do like
yes.
this. It does taste like chip shop curry.
Are these, all of these totally vegan?
They're all vegan and they've all got like, oh, they've all got either 0 or 1 calorie. That's veggie curry. It's coming.
Oh!
Is this meant to be? What's this meant to be?
Chip shop curry. It just tastes like curry. Oh my god,
Really?
Dad.
Sorry. The spudged.
It's a bit too sweet. Do you not think?
I think
What do you
it's
think?
one of the most true to taste ones. Right. Thousand Island, because I don't know what that is.
It's all lemon
Thousand Island dressing, that's like...
Do you have it in a salad?
Mm-hmm.
Look when there's prawns or some crap like that involved.
Oh, is it like tomato? It's a bit like tasteless, but then when you do get a taste of something, it's another sweet one. I don't know.
It's not
I
too
don't
sweet.
like it.
No. It's actually
We're
not
not doing
bad.
very well with there'll be people who want a very serious rating here. And I'm just like,
We'll need to go with the Caesar dressing
Right.
because we need to try it with the salad.
You can try with that.
Right, actually, I've got a fork. For fork's sake. That's squidgy.
Need some chicken to go with
Chicken.
Caesar salad.
Taste it.
It's okay. It's not offensive.
Because it doesn't taste of anything. You've got it all down your chin.
What do you think? No? Not impressed?
I'm not really getting much of a taste of it in here.
This one isn't. This one's very garlicky for anybody. I do quite like that.
What's this garlic meal?
See, the original meal, I didn't even bother buying it because it's disgusting. Like proper disgusting.
With the cuts
Mm.
What do you
on the
think?
plate.
Okay.
Yeah, you could have that on salad or something like that.
I'll have it in
Bring
my
it over.
wraps. If you like garlic, you like this one.
I like that one.
I like garlic.
Oh god, they're both chilli. Sriracha.
Good. I
Sweet
like that.
chilli.
What's sriracha?
It's like spicy.
Okay, let's go for that.
Sriracha. That's a new.
Have you never had the sriracha hot sauce?
Is that-
Where's it from? Is it or something like that?
Oh my goodness.
Cheese again, please, mate. I bet it's chilli stuff. Oh, alright, okay, I'll leave it.
I like that.
Ooh! Oh my.
I like that one.
That is hot.
Is this
right.
hot sauce?
Mmm. Don't you can
I
taste.
love the fact that Dad's becoming.
You can taste it.
He can't. No, Dad can't handle his hot stuff anymore, and you went the opposite.
Oh,
Oh, that's hot.
I like it.
Yeah, that's hot.
That's tasty.
Mm-hmm.
That.
Yeah, it's tasty because it's hot.
And then the last savoury one.
Other than that,
Is it? Yes. Sweet chilli meal.
that's quite wicked.
Oh, that one, I like it. Mmm.
I like that one. That's the best one so far. That and the peri peri one. Because that's quite spicy too. What's this one now?
Sweet chili meal. What do you think? Alright?
Okay.
No.
Okay, top three. Savoury. It's
Right.
peri peri,
Well, for me, number one.
Sriracha.
sriracha,
Number two.
Peri
peri peri.
peri. Can't
Don't
remember.
like those.
No.
I like the garlic meal too, because it tastes like garlic.
Mm.
Do not like the hollandaise. Right,
Uh-huh.
I was starting. What do you want to start with?
Sticky toffee pudding.
When is it?
Start at the very beginning.
It is. Hi, right enough.
I've got a tiny spoon.
No, he didn't. He
Oh.
didn't well done.
It's like Mary Poppins medicine.
I will do
Oh,
that.
it's
one.
like it is like medicine. It's like toffee cowpole.
Toffee cowbell.
Well,
It's okay. It's actually
what
not.
would you rate it?
I'm
Five.
not getting this.
You know it.
Right, let's do custard. Again, I don't know if I like custard, but I like custard creams.
You like custard.
So does that mean I like
Custard's
custard?
Oh, tasteless. I'm not going to taste off of that at all.
nice. You know it.
No.
Maybe
Maybe
meant to
we
taste.
should just do that.
Is custard meant to taste vanilla?
Is there something wrong with me?
Right, try it on a spoon.
Yes.
No, I'll just speak to one there.
I've had that before and I didn't realise I liked it. It is nice. I do quite like that.
Mhm.
Yeah, sort of like custard.
Sort of like
I'll
this.
do it,
Right,
yeah,
go and get us wee spoons, or teaspoons
And
or
it's always
something.
going
A
to
wee
be okay.
Right, next.
Because of the texture and the...
Blueberry. Oh, I don't like blueberries. Although they're so good for you, I'm determined to make myself like them.
Alright, okay.
Put them in your...
Gin. You do put them in your gin.
This one's definitely like Calpol. I mean, just scotch it all
Or
over the shop.
put them in your cornflakes or whatever it is you have in the morning.
Holy moly, that's blueberryish. Ah, it's like Calpol.
Oh dear. Oh no, it's going everywhere. That is definitely Calpol.
What do you think of that?
It's a bit like apple.
It is.
I used to remember sort of giving the kids the top one and the spoonful.
Oh, you did know it.
I
Well, I
used
used
to
to-
love
I
Calpol,
know,
but
I know.
it's too sweet.
Quite nice.
Chocolate flavour. Oh, bloody
Goodness sake.
What are
Stop
you running
swearing. What? No.
It's just kind of like the chocolate, you know, when you go and get an ice cream and they put the chocolate
Sauce on.
stuff on. It's okay.
No, so it'd be alright if you were having ice cream or you were having some of your, like, I'm Melanie, you know, your
Aye.
stuff, your Rocky Road, you could put that on and it'd probably be okay.
Yeah. See what I mean?
It's actually okay. It's better than I thought it was going to be.
It's not a keeper outer on the table.
Just
Hey, you could make some arts, well...
Strawberry jelly. I do quite like this one. It does taste strawberry. It's definitely Calpol.
Oh,
strawberry jelly.
I like it. I've had enough sweetness, I can only take so much sweetness.
I like that one. Okay, don't like that.
I like the kiddies.
What do we think?
I'm only getting a faint strawberry taste.
Oh.
That's all.
Oh, I'm not looking forward to that one
Why?
because I don't know. I don't think I like it.
We'll try it.
I don't even
Because
know.
you don't like amaretto?
I don't know if that's what I mean. What does that taste like?
Amaretto?
I can't remember if amaretto's almond or cyanide taste.
Oh my god, it's like. What is that like? Right, try that. It immediately it even smells like something. That's weird.
Mm.
What does that remind you of?
Marzipan. It is.
Oh, it's marzipan.
almond.
That's what
I don't eat marzipan on the regular.
It is. It's very almondy. Very, very.
I
Mm-hmm.
might like it.
But what is it? No, there's something else that tastes like that.
Biscuits.
Weak marzipan.
It's marzipan. I don't like it.
I'm
like-
actually quite
I
surprised.
like
that
almonds, but I don't like marzipan.
That's okay actually. Chocolate orange.
Yeah, chocolate orange sounds good.
Oh wow,
I
that's
suppose 'cause you're
orangey.
only having a tiny drop of them.
That's very orangey. That's what I was saying earlier on, like it's like that's the vegan feel safe, just make it chocolate orange.
That's more cow poly than anything.
No, it's not. Why are you stabbing at the spoon?
No, it fell over, all over my knife, so I'm putting it on the spoon.
Oh, I don't like that. Oh, no, oh, no.
No.
No. That's it. Clench your palate, clench your palate. That didn't taste of chocolate orange.
Orange.
Oh, orange. Orange.
Oh! Orange!
Orange. Melanie, put that away somewhere safe, please. Orange.
Did I actually say that?
It's on camera.
Salted caramel.
Okay, that should be nice,
It's
surely.
another squatter.
Oh my god.
Mmm. I like salted caramel. That's a tea.
You can actually smell that as well.
That's one of my favourites.
Yeah, that's the best so far, definitely. Okay. That was...
Okay.
No, I do. That is the best one so far.
See if you say you can't taste that, I'm a bit worried.
No.
No, you can't taste that one. Yes.
Yeah,
Right,
that
keep
was,
that one out.
Keep that one out.
Rhubarb and custard?
Yeah,
Rhubarb.
rhubarb. Just talk amongst yourselves.
Rhubarb.
Rhubarb. Yes, this is going to be
Oh God,
the
it's
sweet
tart.
ones. It's tart.
Tart!
Rhubarb tart.
I'm presuming
Rhubarb.
that's the rhubarb.
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 I quite like that one.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Does it scoop?
Yes, it's scoops.
Keeping that out, is that a tabler?
Not for me.
No, not really. It's okay.
Not made the cut.
Oh my God!
I don't know how I feel about trying this, but I've got to. What
Your
is that?
dad, because he loves mince pies.
I know,
so
but
try it.
I'm
Mince
taking
pie
this. I'm
syrup.
taking this
Is
as
it-
a cottage pie.
No, mince pie as in
Christmas.
Christmas pies.
Oh no, I don't think I'm gonna like this.
No, your dad, he loves mince pies, so he'll be the
No, you haven't got
judge.
many yet, by the way.
Oh shit, I forgot it.
Or a Christmas
Oh, I don't
pudding.
like that.
Or a Christmas pudding.
Yeah, what you look at?
That is disgusting.
That's what medicine.
That is like your worst medicine. That is like your that is like a cough bottle, isn't it? That is like a cough bottle.
Who can we give that to?
That was in the good old Scottish vernacular, bouffing.
Peanut butter. That's of interest.
Well, you should know.
I bet there were a faint taste of peanut butter about it.
Does
No,
not taste
you
like
don't.
peanut butter.
Oh really? A wee tiny bit, but no.
See, it
Nah.
doesn't really.
Nah, it's in the bad bag.
Mermaid.
Corsadil.
What?
Mermaid. What does that mean?
Mermaid.
Raspberry sherbet swirl flavour.
I bet it's the best.
And it's got glitter in it. Just. Where's this one? Not even.
There's all of
Oh, I'm
that.
doing it.
Cinnamon's alright at Christmas.
Holy moly!
What?
It's. Whoa!
What? I quite like it. I actually do like that one.
I just don't know what you would have that with.
Anything, you could have a bit of ice cream, you could have any dessert you were having.
It's sort of fresh, but I've absolutely no idea what it is.
No, neither is that. It's
Unicorn.
quite tasty, I quite like it.
But unicorn is bubble gum and candy floss.
Oh my god.
Oh, good.
We must do.
Oh my god. That's
Work
even
to
more
death,
mental.
work to death on a Friday and then we can probably do this on a Saturday.
I know. What's that?
What's this stuff called? Unicorn flavour. Why is it?
No, that's the kind of flavour you want out of your mouth quite soon.
What's it?
Actually, it's left a kind of residue in my mouth as well.
It's very
It's-
Cal Poly.
It's separated out. Look, and
I know, because it's meant to have glitter on it.
Try it. It's not very nice.
Right, it's not very nice. It's not a very great commendation, mother.
I like this one.
What's this
White
one?
chocolate. I have it on my porridge.
Yeah, that's okay.
Mm.
But it doesn't really taste of anything.
Maybe that's why it's good.
I know. Some of them are...
It's got a consistency to it.
What's this one?
Maple
Maple syrup.
I don't know if I like maple syrup.
I don't like that. It's like white glue.
Wait.
Glue.
It's kind
Well,
of
maple syrup should be
Rubbery.
nice.
rubbery. Maple syrup is maple syrup.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a true.
Okay.
Is that what maple syrup tastes
Well, it's
I'll tell you now.
quite... No, it's not really... but it's,
like? That is nice though.
it is quite pleasant.
Mm-hmm.
You could have that on top of things.
Vanilla. We're getting there. We're getting there, people.
Surely this is...
Nice.
That's okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm getting the vanilla after. Once you've swallowed it, you get it.
I've got a cherry and a cherry bait wheel. I didn't do that. That was daft.
Yeah, I'll forgo that when your dad likes that kind of thing. You like.
I'm quite fond of a cherry bait wheel bar thing nowadays.
Big world. Big world, huh?
Oh, that's very cherry bait wheel.
Isn't it?
Oh
Yeah.
my.
So is it nice? Is
It's
it good then?
See if it tastes the same.
Probably.
Oh no. Like that one. Oh my god. That is cherry, but cherry on steroids.
But you would.
There's less cherry than the other one was.
Do you think so?
Mm-hmm.
That, I think that one's a lot tartar.
That's in the bin.
Toasted marshmallow, I like that one.
Toasted marshmallow. I actually taste the marshmallows.
Right, chocolate mint.
Nothing. You tasted it, nothing.
Well, that's definitely chocolate mint.
Right, that wasn't it?
Afternoons and stuff, do you know?
Yeah.
I'll
I'll try
try
it.
different kinds of teaspoons.
I never used to like that, but I'm very fond of them now.
What was this?
Chocolate mint.
That was that, not me. Oh, I want it to be nice, but it's just not. It's a bit like toothpaste. I know.
Minty musty old socks.
No, it wasn't even minty. No.
Right, toffee apple.
Toffee, apple, lemon, pears,
Oh,
a
that's
bunch of
horrible.
roses.
No, that was disgusting. That was banging.
Do you not like that one?
No.
Toffee, apple.
Oh wow, that's quite nice. I still don't know what I would have that with, but it is nice. I do like that though. It's a very artificial apple. You're not getting it?
No, I'm getting some, but I'm not liking the taste. It's very synthetic. No, don't like that.
No. It's like giving a baby a lemon.
Oh. It's not liking that one. Ben! What's this?
You know that kind of
White
crap.
White chocolate
This is
raspberry.
manufactured partlets. Ugh.
Well, it's not the worst I've had tonight. But if I was blindfolded, I couldn't have told you what it was. Butterscotch, go for that. Go for butterscotch. Are you not impressed? Ben. Ben.
I would definitely not say if somebody asked me, was
That's
that
quite nice.
white chocolate raspberry?
It just tastes kind of caramelly again.
Yeah, I like that. I could spray that. Not spray it.
Spray it.
Pour it.
Mm.
Banoffee
Red.
pie.
Next.
Right.
Here we go. Oh
Ugh.
god, it's like foam bananas.
It's like what?
Foam bananas. No sweets.
Oh. Just don't fancy any of them. You go
Let's
for
do
what one
red
you want.
velvet. I don't even know if I like red velvet.
You're not impressed, are you?
No, it's
Right,
like,
you do it.
it's like
No.
Right, I'll do
Well,
this
you
one.
might
You
like
do
it
the
if you
next
like.
one.
You know how I've never really liked gatto and stuff. It kind of tastes gatto-y.
Cat-ups.
It reminds me of those cakes Aunt Cam used to get, the kind of brown and white ones. Vienna. A Vienna cake.
Right, I'll have a go at it.
It's actually okay. It's not
If I'm suddenly
offensive.
violent and
It's
stuck,
like,
it's your fault.
Just to know I'm a slighted.
I expect Aunt Dick to appear in a minute. No, he doesn't like
Why you do this to me? Oh, I fucking horrible. After tasting that, it's absolutely disgusting.
Look at your face.
No, I don't like it. That's too sweet.
Bin
I'm
it.
not going for that. Just bin
No,
it.
bin it.
Birthday cake. Cookies and cream.
Cookies and
Oh
cream.
dear.
I don't know what that tastes of.
I'm still waiting to get.
No, that's what I mean. It's
It's a no taste. So it really isn't it?
You're going to know tasting that one. I'm definitely not having it because I'll be no taste at
No,
all.
no. Yeah, I'll try another to see if it was. Birthday cake. You don't like birthday cake.
I don't know. It's very
Birthday cake is
sugar artificial.
No, pass.
pass.
And we're done! Wow!
So we've got
I
it.
think there's more. How many did I order? About 40 and we're like 6. So in terms of the sweet ones, I don't know why I'm shouting, we like toasted marshmallow, maple syrup, which was quite surprising for me actually, custard, and salted caramel.
Yeah.
And savoury we liked 2.
We didn't just like 2, did we?
We liked
Honestly.
peri peri and sriracha hot chili.
Because they had a taste.
Oh my god.
Thank you to mother and father for being my
Guinea pigs.
guinea pigs. You did
Yeah.
alright with it.
Just-
We had wine in your champagne.
Yes, I
Just
know.
give me more drink.
Right. Oh god. It's recording.
Just as well. Hey, it's just as well we weren't talking about you. Oh, shut it. Sorry, my language. Sorry. That can't go by me, can you? What do you think? He's not impressed. Right, go for some.